AI, it's a bit of a threat to our humanity because it is being very swiftly presented as a benevolent system, but is being knit together in a way that it can steal our soul, it can steal the voice of the Holy Spirit. It could potentially replace the Holy Spirit if we as humanity allow it. That's why it's very important to understand that God has sent His Holy Spirit to live, to dwell in you. If you don't have the Holy Spirit dwelling in you, if you don't have a relationship with the Holy Spirit, then you are moment right now that you're listening to this video, you are at an intersection where AI and technology in essence can potentially damage you in a way that you could lose the very essence that God created in you. You have His DNA, but if you can't hear the voice, the voice of His Spirit within you, I'm here to tell you, my friends, that the trade-off will not be worth it. Listen to me. I care about you too much. I care about you too much. Make the effort. Make the effort. Make the effort to seek your Creator, Elohim. We know Him by Elohim. The ancient texts of the Jews. It is the Creator of the ancients that gave Moses the law. He wrote Moses the 5 books called the Torah in Judaism. In Christianity, they're called the Old Testament. I want you to really make it your effort to seek, knock, and it shall be open to you. God is waiting for you. This message is not by chance. It will not be worth the exchange with AI. Your soul you're worth so much more than an algorithm, than artificial intelligence, than a virtual reality, a virtual world. You're worth more than that, my friends. I'll put my story here. You can listen to my story, my childhood. I've been through a lot, but God got me through all of it. He's able to make you anew. I promise it will be worth it. Seek Him with all your heart. You will find answers to all your questions. Don't believe everything you hear out there. I will make another video about aliens, extraterrestrials. I will make another video, I promise you, and I will reveal to you what these beings are truly. But right now, I want to stay focused on AI. I want to stay focused on the message that God has placed in my heart to share with you. I need to put it out there. It was very heavy and very hard to even think about how I'm going to put this message out there, but I'm glad I did. I really feel better in my heart and my soul. And this will actually save somebody's life for eternity. And that was worth it. I really don't care what other people think about this video. If it has touched you, that totally matters to me.